Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Busy Signal has launched a new mobile app. He has been working on the project for over the past year, which aims to make him more accessible to fans. The BizBiz app gives fans exclusive access to his music, calendar, videos, current news, and other materials. Fans will also be able to share posts and comment. The BizBiz app will also provide fans with an opportunity to access Busy Signal's online store with the option to purchase merchandise and clothing from the Tough Gears clothing line. The BizBiz iOS app is now available for free download in the App Store. The Android version will be released at a later date. Dancehall superstar Shabba Ranks was sampled in a Diet Coke advertisement during the recently concluded Super Bowl 52. The veteran dancehall artist and reggae singer JC Lodge's 1988 smash hit Telephone Love was featured in the advertisement for the sugar-free soft drink. The ad appeared in the Super Bowl primetime set for the first time in over 21 years. The ad featured Australian TV and film star Hayley Magnus wearing the Rasta-coloured socks, that's red, green and gold of course, rocking to her Diet Coke to the sounds of Shabba. Solange Knowles writing new music right here in Jamaica. The 31-year-old American singer-songwriter took to social media recently announcing her arrival with a cryptic caption that read, quote, "Joni Mitchell painted murals on this house. I wrote songs in this house." The photo has Solange in front of a house that was built in the 1960s as part of the Cardiff Hall estate in Runaway Bay in Ocho Rios. Dancehall artist Tifa is in Canada for her Top Class tour. The tour kicked off yesterday in Ontario and will culminate on February 24. Tifa performs tonight in Pickering with other stops in Quebec and Calgary, Winnipeg, among others. The artist in a release says fans can expect the usual high-energy fun shows with old hits, favorites, as well as an introduction of new material. Tifa has been busy in the studio working on new material for her upcoming album. She will also embark on tours in Europe, Africa, and the United States. Now, Region 2 of the RJ Arglina Communications Group Cross Country Invasion moves into high gear this weekend. The roadshow stops in Port Maria, Nota Bay, and Hope Bay Squares with a final stop at the Titchfield High School. Come out for live performances from IKEA, D'Angel, Rondell Positive, and more. Meet your favorite personalities when the RJ Arglina Cross Country Roadshow invades your town. See you there, and that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.